Good morning, dear students. Today's our lecture on study of preparatory secondary tillage and seedbed preparation for kharif crops and sowing and seed treatment of kharif crop. This is exercise number 8 and 9. First, see the exercise number 8. Title of this exercise is Study of Preparatory Secondary Tillage and Seedbed Preparation for Kharif Crops. First, see the objectives of this exercise. To know the object of the tillage operations for soybean crop, to prepare a good seedbed by creation of fine tilth, and to know the different tillage implements used for preparatory tillage and secondary tillage operations. In that, first see the what is meant by tillage or definition of tillage. Tillage, it is a physical manipulation of soil with the help of tools and implements for obtaining ideal condition for the growth of crop, that is called as tillage. Or tillage, it is the physical manipulation of the soil with the help of different tools and implements is used to result a good soil tilth for better germination and subsequent crop growth and yield is called as tillage. And what is meant by tilth? It is a physical condition of soil resulting from tillage, that is called as soil tilth. Okay, tillage and tilth. There are two types of tillage. First one is a preparatory tillage and second one is a secondary tillage. In that, first see the what is meant by preparatory tillage. Preparatory tillage, the tillage operations that are carried out from the time of harvest of previous crop to the sowing of next crop are known as a preparatory tillage, and the operations carried out in any cultivable land to prepare a seed bed for sowing of crops. Preparatory cultivation consists of three different operations. In the preparatory tillage, it includes the three different operations, that is primary tillage, secondary tillage and layout of seed bed. Okay. Preparatory tillage, it includes the major operations of tillage, that is plowing, clod crushing, prepare or proper leveling of land, harrowing and stubble collection. These are the operations which are included in preparatory tillage. In the second, that is the secondary tillage, the tillage operations carried out after primary tillage operations are called as secondary tillage. It includes the clod crushing, harrowing, then mixing of FIM into the soil, planking and layout of the field for the sowing of crop. These are the operations which are included in secondary tillage. First is the preparatory tillage, second is secondary tillage and the third seed bed preparation for the soybean crop, for the growing of soybean crop. The soybean crop does not require an extremely fine seed bed, it as required for other cereals. The cereals crops mostly require the fine seed bed, but the soybean crops not required extremely fine seed bed. As a soybean crop, it is a deep rooted crop, so it is necessary to make the surface quite loose and friable up to the 30 centimeter. The land should be plowed up to 25 to 30 centimeter with the help of moldboard plow, followed by clod crushing and 2 to 3 harrowings. First, the land deep plowing is carried out 25 to 30 centimeter deep with the help of moldboard plow, and after the plowing 2 to 3 harrowings are given and clod crushing are carrying for breaking the large clods, and after that clean the field by collecting the stubbles, crop residues of previous crops, roots of previous crops, etc. Then after the collection of stubbles, FIM should be added. It spread evenly and mix well in the soil before last harrowing, and after application of FIM, the last harrowings are given. Then after last harrowing, light planking should be done before the sowing of crop, and for the irrigation purpose, prepare the Sara immediately after the sowing of crop with the help of Sara yantra. Okay, this is the seed bed preparation. This is the exercise number 8, study of preparatory secondary tillage and seed bed preparation of kharif crop. Okay, then see the exercise number 9. Title of this exercise is seed treatment and sowing of soybean. This is very short exercise. Firstly, the objectives of this exercise is to know the method, time and seed requirement for the sowing of kharif soybean, and to know the labor cost required for the sowing of soybean. Okay, in that first see the definition of seed treatment, or what is meant by seed treatment. Seed treatment, it is defined as a process of treatment of seed with various substances like water, fungicide, growth regulator, nutrient solution or other physical treatment before the sowing of seeds for various purpose or objectives, that is called as seed treatment. Seed treatment, it is the process in which the seeds are treated with different substances like insecticide, fungicide, biofertilizers, etc. for controlling the attack of pests and diseases or for various objectives. This is called as seed treatment. Okay. Then see the objectives of seed treatment. There are so many objectives of seed treatment. In that first see the for the preventive control measures against pests and diseases. Seed treatment are given to the seeds for controlling the attack of pests and diseases. For example, seeds are treated with different fungicides for controlling the fungal diseases, attack of fungal diseases like wilt, etc. Okay. Then second, convenience in sowing or easy to sowing. For example, for the sowing of cotton seeds, the seeds are treated with cow dung slurry for removing the pus, and after removing the pus, it is easy to sow the seeds for the convenience in sowing. Then breaking the seed dormancy. Seed treatment is given for breaking the seed dormancy. For example, so many crops seeds goes into the dormant conditions. Okay, and for the breaking the seed dormancies, there are different chemicals are used to break the dormancy of that seed. Then quicker germination. After sowing, immediately or quick the germination of seeds. The seeds are treated with different solutions or different salt waters, etc. Then for nitrogen fixation, the pulses crops are mostly treated with rhizobium for increasing the nitrogen fixation into the soil or for improving the soil fertility. Okay. So many biofertilizers are used for treating the seeds of cereals, pulses, oil seeds, forage, fodder crops, etc. for increasing nitrogen fixation of and for improving the soil fertility. Then seed treatment is given for enhancing the crop growth, for enhancing or for increasing the or for producing healthy seedlings or healthy plants. The seeds are treated with different chemicals for enhancing the crop growth or for increasing the yield of that crop. These are the different objectives of seed treatment. Then see the seed treatment procedure of seed treatment to the soybean seeds. Okay, the soybean seeds should be treated with fungicides for controlling the attack of fungal diseases. The fungicides like Thiram at the rate 2.5 to 3 gram per kg of seeds before the sowing of crop, or the seeds are also treated with Bavestin at the rate of 2.5 gram per kg of seeds, or mixture of Thiram plus Bavestin 1:1 proportion at the rate 3 gram per kg of seeds for controlling the attack of fungal diseases like wilt. Okay, this is the fungal seed treatment. Then biofertilizer seed treatment for the efficient biological fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. The soybean seeds should be inoculated with suitable strain of Rhizobium, that is Rhizobium japonicum plus PSB culture plus Trichoderma. The application rate of this biofertilizer is Rhizobium at the rate 250 gram per 10 kg of seeds, PSB culture at the rate 25 gram per kg of the seeds, and Trichoderma at the rate 5 gram per kg of the seeds at the time of sowing for increasing the nitrogen fixation into the soil and for improving the fertility of soil and for increasing the yield of crop. Okay, this is the biofertilizer treatment for the soybean crop. This is the exercise number 9, that is sowing and seed treatment of soybean. Thank you.